In this guide, I want to quickly answer which skill tree is the best here in Arc Raiders and which skills you should go ahead and prioritize unlocking. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. I do want to clarify real quick, this is not my main account. On my main account, I'm almost level 75, but I still want to give you some solid early and mid-game advice. So I thought we'd restart for this video. Now, in my opinion, and if you want to open up that skill tree, just select on your name up here and you'll see it right here. The best overall skill tree is going to be your mobility. It's this yellow one right here, the one directly in the middle. You don't need to completely max it out, but there are two must-have upgrades that you should go ahead and grab as early as possible. On the left side of the mobility tree, what you're going to want to do is unlock the skill that reduces stamina cost while moving. It's literally the first option on here. It's called Marathon Runner. This one is huge, but right after you do that, go ahead and unlock increased max stamina, which is the Youthful Lungs option right here. These two alone make a massive difference in survivability, rotations, and escaping fights. Now, there are some other mobility skills like sliding faster or crawling quicker that when you're downed are pretty useful. I personally would unlock those, but honestly, it's not 100% needed. They are nice, but not as impactful as the stamina upgrades. After mobility though, what I would recommend doing next is heading over to conditioning. And one really good skill in here is going to be loaded arms, which reduces how much weight your equipped weapons add, which allows you to essentially just carry more loot overall. And even though you do have to get kind of far in order to unlock it, it is very, very useful in the long run. If you then head over to the survival tree, there are a couple strong picks. One that increases the maximum weight you can carry is very helpful. Once again, it helps with looting. Another popular one is the one that unlocks the additional field crafting items. And finally, another big one is in-round crafting, which allows you to craft items while you're topside during a match. All of these are extremely useful when you start doing longer or riskier runs. But overall, my recommendation is to start with mobility, grab the stamina upgrades, then move to conditioning and survival to carry weight and crafting. One thing, just make sure that you're prioritizing your stamina upgrades early, then they are the most important stats in the entire game. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.